In our previous video we set up a profile. We're now going to set up a user and assign that profile to them. So again, under Setup, Users, Profiles and Portfolios, we're going to select the User option here. I'm going to add a new user. We're going to add in a name and a password. We're now selecting a profile for this user. I set up a Property Manager one in a previous video, so we're going to assign that one to this particular user now. We should also insert any other relevant contact information that we have available for our user, of course. Email addresses are always important. Okay, so we've assigned a profile there to this particular property manager, and we can save our information on there. So we've now got a new user set up in there with the profile, as we can see. And as we remember, that profile has certain access to parts of the program. So if I close out of here, close the program. Now I've restarted the program. I've come up with my password screen here. Based on the password that I entered for my new user, by entering that in, I now am logged in as that particular user. As I mentioned, we've got certain access that we gave to that particular profile that we assigned to that user. One was limiting their access to the sales component of the program. And if I click onto that option there, you'll see then that their profile assigned to the user John does not permit him access to this function. So we'd always need the administrator to go back and adjust the profile if they required access there. Any of the things that we did assign to them, of course, they have free rein to be able to get into and look at or adjust information. Another one was the business area here, where we limited the access of the profile that we assigned to John. I've just closed and reopened REI Master back into my administrator user, as we can see at the bottom. Reason for this is I can show you another feature where it's useful for users to be set up, is to be able to set up or assign users to particular tasks. If I just go into one of my units here and into my tasks and notes, we can see here an inspection. You can here then assign users to these particular tasks. So I can schedule the task to be done by me there, and the inspection actually completed by one of my other users set up in the system there. And in doing so then, that we can assign particular tasks to particular users. Certain reports can be generated. We can also then identify who is going to perform what tasks against the property there, such as an inspection. The other options, of course, that we have to set up users is against things like maintenance tasks in the system here. One of the other features of a user setup, just go to the general to the user profile setup here, is in regards to the SMS facility which is available through REI Master. A user must be set up in order for that facility to be used. Also means then that the SMSs can be sent back to a designated mobile number, which can be different for every user, or an email address that can be set up again against that individual user in the system there. So in this video we've looked at the setup of users based on the profile that we would have assigned to them, which was recorded in a previous video.